Welcome once more to Mathematics Pro. So in this tutorial, we are going to write quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 given the root. So they gave us the root and we are going to write the quadratic equation in this form. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to write the equation that gave you the solution. So we are going to have x equals to minus 5 or x equals to 3. So this is a minus. When it comes in here, it becomes a plus. So the previous equation was x plus 5 equals to 0. Or, and in this case, this is a plus. When it crosses, it becomes minus. X minus 3 equals to 0. The next step is to multiply these two equations. So I'm going to multiply x plus 5 times x minus 3 without the 0. So I'm going to have x plus 5 times x minus 3. Okay, so this will be equals to 0. So if we multiply this, we are going to have x squared, so this gives us x squared. So x times minus 3 will give us minus 3x. X times 5 will give us plus 5x. 5 times minus 3 will give us minus 15, which is equals to 0. So next we need to simplify the like terms. We have x and x here. So this is 5x minus 3x. So plus 5 is 5x minus 3x. So this will give us x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation in this form. So now to check your answer if it is correct, for example, we can substitute x equals to minus 5 or x equals to 3, it will give us 0. So if I choose x equals to 3 and I substitute it here, I'm going to have 0. For example, x equals to 3, we are going to have 3 squared plus 2 times 3 minus 15. This should give us 0. So this is 9 plus 6 minus 15. So if we add these two together, we have 15 minus 15, which is 0. So our answer is correct. So the answer for this quadratic equation, so the answer will be equals to x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. So that's the solution. So for question 2, we are going to do the same. These were the solution of the equation. X equals to minus 3 over 5 or x equals to 2 over 3. So in case of fraction, we can cross multiply. So we cross multiply. So this will give us 5x should be equals to minus 3. Or if we cross multiply, also 3x should be equals to 2. So the minus here, when it crosses, it becomes positive. We are going to have 5x plus 3 equals to 0. Or 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So next we need to multiply both of them. So if we multiply, we are going to have 5x plus 3 times 3x minus 2 should be equal to 0. So if we multiply this, we are going to have, this will give us 15x squared minus 10x plus 9x minus 6 equals to 0. So we are going to have 15x squared. We can simplify this. This is minus 10 plus 9, which is minus x minus 6 equals to 0. So that is the equation of this root. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.